Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to make pasta aglio e olio. And we're gonna start. I've already got my pasta, water boiling. So let me get that in there. Let me grab a little spoon. Let's see if we can get this going a little bit better. Get my linguine going. Let's break that down a little bit. This is going to take about like 8 minutes, I think. And in the meantime, let's get this pan going. This is where all the flavor is going to come from. Very slow. Okay, we're gonna grab our olive oil. Gonna want a pretty good amount of olive oil. And then we are going to add our fresh chopped garlic. Our crushed red pepper. Come on. Let's give our pasta water a little bit more of a stir. And a little salt and pepper. This is a traditional Naples, Italy recipe. So, see if we can work this out. We've also got chopped chicken and Parmesan cheese with a little freshly chopped parsley. And I'm gonna add lemon juice. The linguine is coming around very well. Come on! Let's fire this bitch up. Let's get this heat rolling. probably get a strainer out. There we go. Oh man, that garlic smells amazing. Look at that. Get my cutting board out of the way. See what else we can do with this garlic. It smells so good. I really wish you guys could smell this. Once again, a little tip with the linguine. It's coming along nicely. There's nothing more refreshing than the smell of fresh garlic. Really wish you guys could taste this right now. I am gonna add a little more salt and pepper. I'm going to kill the heat and take it off that burner, and it will continue to cook. At that point, I'm going to add a little lemon juice. Just about half a lemon, I think. Now, if you do this by hand, you have to hold a lemon in your hand so that the seeds don't get into the actual sauce. This way, the juices just go through your fingers. You see? I'm actually going to add the other half of the lemon. Come on. Come on, asshole. There we go. Check on our pasta again. I think it's just about done. Yes, our pasta is done. So I'm going to kill the heat on the pasta. Let's see. And now I need some, I don't have oven mitts, so I've got these. Alright, you bad boy. Oh. Damn. That is very hot. Look at that. Look at that garlic. That is beautiful. Alright. Now I'm gonna take this linguine. Ooh! I should really have an oven mitt. Oh, wow! That is really hot. I'm not trying to torture myself, but oh, feels like torture a little bit. Sort that around a little bit. Now, typically, pasta aglio e olio does not contain chicken, and it does not contain parmesan, but in this instance, I am making an exception. Shiva! Where's my dog? Shiva! So typically you reserve a little bit of the pasta water, but I forgot to do that, so I'm doing that now. It makes for a more cohesive sauce. And now I am adding fresh chopped parsley. I will crank this guy back up. I'm gonna let it roast a little bit. In the meantime, I am going to grab a plate. Doesn't that look really good? This is whole wheat linguine, by the way. I don't know why I used it. Honestly, it was because I just had it lying around. I thought it was a good alternative to, you know, the other stuff. Looks pretty tasty, doesn't it? Pasta aglio e olio. That's Italian for garlic and parsley. I don't know why they labeled it as such, but you know, it's all good. No, actually, I'm sorry. It's garlic and oil. That is the translation. Smells really, really good. get this shit plated. Kill the heat. And all we have left is the Parmesan. I don't know about you, but I think that looks pretty awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.